Hi guys, I'm Mehak. So, I've always been very passionate about things like makeup, beauty, and fashion, and I've always thought of using YouTube as a platform for the same. And today, I've finally taken my first step towards it. So, for today's look, I'll be creating a blue and a green smoky eye with bronze on the lid with matte skin, which is still highlighted. So starting off with the look, I'll be using the e.l.f. Putty Primer. I'll be taking a little bit on my finger and I'll be applying that around my nose and on my nose. So primer is a very important step in your makeup if you want your makeup to last all day. And with whatever's remaining on my finger, I'll be applying that on my forehead. For foundation, I'll be using two foundations, one from Rimmel and one from L'Oreal. I'll be mixing the two foundations on the makeup plate. I'll take one pump of each foundation. Then I'll just take a flat brush and mix the foundation. And I'll just stripe the foundation all across my face. So right now we're just applying the foundation on the face. I'll be blending in the next step. So to blend the foundation, I'll be using a dense buffing brush, going in small circular motions all across the face. I'll be blending the foundation into my skin. Using a dense buffing brush like the one that I'm using right now is just going to make sure that the foundation grabs onto the skin and it doesn't move around. So the Rimmel foundation that I used earlier was very matte and is medium to full coverage, and the L'Oreal foundation is a medium coverage foundation but it has small glitter particles. So mixing the two foundations creates the perfect concoction. And that's how my skin's looking after one layer of the foundation. For concealer, I'll be using a classic the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'll be using the concealer to cover up any pigmentations or any scars that the foundation wasn't able to cover up. So the pigmentation around my lips and on any acne scars, I'll just be dotting the concealer. And then using a little bit of concealer under my eye, I'll be using the same concealer to highlight, so a little bit on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose. I'll also be using some concealer on my chin and a little on my cupid's bow. So to blend the concealer, I'll be using a smaller brush. Going in even smaller circular motions, I'll be blending the concealer where I've placed it. And on any scars, I'll just be patting the brush so that I don't move the product a lot. Doing this will just ensure maximum coverage out of the concealer. Once I'm done blending the concealer, we'll move straight to the eyes, and for the eyeshadow palette, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette. I'll be taking the brown shade from the palette to fill in my brows. I'll take a small angular brush with a spoolie on one end to fill in my brows. With small strokes, I'll be using the eyeshadow to fill into my eyebrows. I'll be doing the same on the other side. Then I'll just use a spoolie to make sure that all the product is spread evenly all across my brows. Then I'll be using the same concealer all over my lid to act as eyeshadow primer. I'll be blending the concealer with the same brush. Using concealer as eyeshadow primer is just going to ensure that our eyeshadows later on pop up even better. So I've done one eye off camera and we'll be working on the other eye right now. I'm just going to be priming the lid and I'll set that with some loose powder. Next, I'll be taking those three shades for my crease. I'll be taking the green eyeshadow on a large fluffy blending brush and I'll focus most of the shade on the outer V of my eye, and with whatever's remaining on the brush, I'll just drag that in the inner corners. This shade is going to be the main shade for our crease today, so make sure you're taking your time blending it. Next, I'll be taking the green eyeshadow from the palette on a smaller blending brush and I'll apply this very roughly all throughout the crease just because I want some green in the look. Next, I'll take the black eyeshadow on an angled brush. I'll just take a little bit of the eyeshadow and draw a V on the outer V of my eye. And once I'm done doing that, I'll take the previous brush and I'll just use that to blend out the black eyeshadow very carefully. Next, for my lid color, I'll be using those two shades. I'll be picking up the shimmers with the help of my fingers itself and I'll be packing the shade on my lid. Using your fingers for shimmer colors is the best because the warmth of your finger picks up the maximum color. Next, I'll be using the Nicka K liquid eyeshadow. I'll be applying the liquid eyeshadow all over my lid where I applied the shimmery shades. And I'll be blending that with the help of my fingers. Liquid eyeshadows hit the light differently as compared to powder eyeshadows. So this is just going to make your look even more shimmery. I'll be taking the two shimmers again on my finger and I'll pack that on top of the liquid eyeshadow. For my mascara, I'll be using the L'Oreal mascara, and with whatever is there on the wand, I'll be doing a good thick coat on my upper lashes and on my lower lashes. Then I'll take the two green and the blue eyeshadows and I'll run that down my lower lash line. So I've done my winged eyeliner off camera and that's the final eye look completed. Moving on to the face, I'll be bronzing with the help of the Isadora bronzer. I'll be taking a fluffy brush and I'll bronze my entire face, focusing more on the jawline, the cheekbones and on the temples. I'll be doing the same on the other side. Next up, I'll be using the bronzer in a very concentrated manner around my cheekbones and jawline to act as contour. For blush, I'll be using the Faces Cream Blush. I'll be using that on a stippling brush and very slightly apply that on my cheeks and nose. For my favorite part, the highlighter, I'll be using the Maybelline Mustard Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And with the help of a dense brush, I'll be using my highlighter on my cheekbones and on any other area I wish to highlight, like my temples, chin, on the bridge of my nose. And on the other side as well. Using a denser brush to highlight is going to give you the maximum color payoff from your highlighter. So if you're wanting the blinding glow, use a dense brush. And then to blend the highlighter, I'll be using a fluffier brush and I'll just run that through the areas that I've just applied the highlighter on. This is just gonna make sure that you get a more even glow as compared to just stripes of highlighter around your face. And that's the face completed. For lips, I'll be using the Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Chai. This has got to be one of my favorite shades in my collection. If you're anywhere around my skin tone, I'll definitely recommend this shade. This shade is a very beautiful pink tone nude with hints of brown in it. And guys, I'll be mentioning a full list of products that I've used in today's video in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And that's the final look completed. I hope you guys had fun watching the video. Do let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you later. Bye!